As the monsoon has already approached and we are seeing heavy rainfalls and heavy winds in many parts of the state, we conducted a review meeting today along with all the concerned departments like revenue, disaster management, and food and service supplies, health, along with all the deputy commissioners of the different districts. This review has been done to look into all the damages and the loss of lives and the different challenges that the districts are facing and the public are facing at the ground level, and also to review the steps that have been taken by the district administration, and more importantly also to ensure that we make necessary arrangements and prepare for the coming days in which we expect that the rainfall could be more and heavier, and in such eventuality the district administration and the overall departments should be ready to ensure that all the necessary steps and all the relief is given to the people.